This is a quick tutorial on removing solder mask and removing copper from copper fill. The first thing you want to do is actually find the menu where you can remove solder mask. So to do that, normally when you click this button which says add field zones, and you click, you get this menu, but you actually don't want this menu. So the only way to access the actual menu that you need to remove the solder mask is to click front mask or any of the non-copper layers. And now when you select this tool and you click, it will bring up a completely different menu. So you basically want the front mask or back mask, depending on which solder mask you want removed, ticked. Press OK. Now you get this weird thing. And this represents the subtracted area of the solder mask. So if I open the 3D viewer, you can see that, oh, I should refill. You can see that there's no solder mask on that part, but there's still copper underneath. So next I'll try and remove the copper from this section, just as a demonstration. So to do that, you don't actually use any of these, you don't use this filled zones tool, you instead use the Keypad area tool. So you click that, let's draw a box, oh yeah, and then it'll bring up this menu, and you don't keep out anything except copper pour, which is this tick box here, and untick these two. Press OK, and then draw another box like that. And you can see that that part has been removed. Now, even though it's removed the copper from the copper fill, you can still put stuff like, I don't know, like tracks in that area and it wouldn't complain, or text made of copper. So you can get stuff looking like that.